Okay, hi, this is Erin from the Mom Buzz, and I'm going to be doing the Rubik's Cube with the Rubik's Cube guide. You can do it guide. I had this cube already completed and I just messed it up. Woo! First thing you want to do is you want to form a white cross on one side. Now pretty much what the guide tells you that whatever the center cube on each one is the predominant color that you're going to make that sign eventually. So this one has a green in the middle, so eventually all these have to be green. But you start off trying to make a white cross in the top. So it should be white, 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 white. So first, the blue one actually already is done. So we're going to move on to orange. See how there's an orange square there, so that means they need a white and orange block in the middle there. So I have to find it. I got it on the bottom, move it all the way to the top. There we go. So that one's done. So now let me move over to the green side. There's my green one that I want there. But look, see, now I have green and white, and you're like, how am I supposed to flip that around somehow? And there's a way to do it. You go down, around again, and around one more time. And ta-da! Now my squares have flipped. So it's green on there, it's white up there. So this one I need my red. Red. Where is my red? There's my red. I'm like, how am I going to get it where I want it? Oof. There it is. There's my red. And I bring it up. Okay. Oh, there we go. And I need to match green on this side. Red, blue. Somehow I lost my blue. Okay. There we go. I got my white cross. Next I'm going to make the corners white also. So once again I have to make sure my corner matches correctly. So I need a corner that has here in this instance blue, red, and white. And this one right now is green, red, and white. So that's the wrong color. So I need to find my correct corner piece, which is right there now. It's red, blue, and white. And somehow I need to get it up there. So I roll it towards me, away from me, up, and over one more time. Ta-da! So now this one needs to be blue, orange, and white. So I have to find blue, orange, and white. There it is. And I need to get it up in the correct spot. So over, around, up, and over. I'll do it one more time. Over, around, up, and over. One more time. Over, around, up, ta-da, and over. So this one needs to be green, orange, and white. So we go down, around, up, and over. Can you believe people do this in like 30 seconds? Down, around, up. I'm pretty sure they have a different way of doing this. Down, around, but this is the guide way. See? Complete white. So next what I need to do is make, I'm going to put the whites on the bottom. And I need to make two solid lines. So this has to be completely blue on the bottom, two completely red, completely green. So now we're getting a little tricky. But actually, I thought this was the hardest step, but it's not. What you first want to do is make a T somewhere. So here's a blue. I'm going to make a blue T. See? And that's for an orange one. You don't ever want to really fool with the yellows yet. So since that orange piece needs to go to the left side, so what I'm going to do is go around, up, around, down, around the face, around, and down. There you go. So now I got my orange and blue where I wanted it. Orange is good. Red. The red and blue. Around and up. Around and down. Around and over. Around. Ta-da! Okay, I got my solid lines everywhere. Next, I want to make a T with the yellows on top. This one's a little trickier because you have to pay attention to where your yellows are. So I have my yellows and like a backwards L on the very top, and go around and over, up and around, down and over. There we go. So I got my cross in the middle. So now what I next want to do is make the whole top layer yellow. I'm just doing this to prove it the video and the instruction manual really work. Now it's going to tell you exactly how you want your pieces to look and what move you want to do. So mine, I found the scenario I want, and so I'm going to go, I might have to do this 3 times. It says 1, 2, 3. The sequence, I'm following sequences. Around and around and down. So now, solid yellow. Next, I need the corners correctly. So the 4 corners need to match where they're at. So first I just check to see if any of them are correct right now. And I got one of them in the correct spot. I would like one more. Here we go. I got 2 in the correct spot now. Just by twisting it around to see what I have. So I got green and orange, and I have green and red in the correct spot. But the 2 front ones are in the wrong spot. So I'm going to go towards me, around, towards me. Now I'm going to start moving the back face. Around and around, away from me. The front face goes around, towards me. Back face goes 1, 2, away, away, ta-da! And now, now all the corners are in the right spot, and I just have a wrong corner on every single one of these. Nice, huh? So if 1 edge is correct and 3 edges are incorrect, orient the cube, blah blah blah. If all 4 are incorrect, which they are, then I have to do one of these sequences once and then go correctly from there. So I'm just going to do one of these sequences. 1, 2, around, down, down on the other side, face goes around, face goes around, backwards, backwards, around goes the top, and then I'm going to do 1, 2. 1, 2, now let's see if I have an edge correct. Yay, orange is now correct, but I have 3 incorrect. So which way do I want it to go? Red needs to go there, blue needs to go there, so I need it to go clockwise. So let's do this again. The face, 1, 2, 1. It's amazing that people can do this without a guide. 2, and like I said, 30 seconds. Doot, doot, doot. But there's math lessons on this too, on how it works and algorithms and blah blah blah. You should check out the You Can Do It site to learn more. Completed square. Not quite sure how long that took me following the instructions, but I was making mistakes on one of the steps by going backwards because I was talking and doing it at the same time. But a completed square by yours truly, the Mambas. YouCanDoTheCube.com.